Halo Gus, akhirnya kita bisa live ya Gus ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat sore guys, kawan-kawan semuanya. Kita bakal nge-push nih, ambil dulu 5.000 ya. Selesaikan footy first dulu kali ya.
Well, we have 20 minutes left in this game. Forlan! Quite simply, an opportunity wasted. Easy for the keeper. So a corner to Barca as they try to press home their advantage. Now, options are plenty. He read it well defensively. Couto. Brandt. They have to be bold, Borussia Dortmund, in these circumstances. But a crucial intervention inside the box.
Well, Barca are nearly there, and their fans know it. Just listen to the support they're giving their team. Not long left now.
And so into the final 5 minutes. George Best. David Ginola. Is it going to be? Must be. Oh, without putting too fine a point on it, that was a horrific effort.
The sports
And
official
just
has
1 minute
indicated
of
there will
time
be a
added on
minimum
for
of
stoppages.
1 minute
And that is
of
the
added
final
time.
whistle has sounded, and it's a victory for Barcelona. What did you make of their performance?
Well, Derek, it was a really tight game, but they were the better side over the 90 minutes, and they fully deserved their victory today.
Ini tuh penalti-penaltian ya guys ya.
And so the penalty shootout. This is when you have to hold your nerve. Clinical as always, in front of goal. Can he convert? Well, he failed to deliver that time. Mental preparation is such a big part of this. And the penalty converted here. Well, it's all about keeping a cool head. Goalkeeper beaten from the spot. Can he get the better of the keeper? And it wasn't the greatest penalty. And it's been saved by the keeper. His turn to try to convert from the spot. Job done from the spot. Oh, a superb save. And up he comes, doing his best to remain focused. And there it is, perfectly executed. They need this one. And he's beaten the keeper. A goal here to finish it. Engulfed by all the pressure, he nevertheless puts it away to win this penalty shootout.
Well, it's a good penalty. He showed a lot of composure there, and overall, they probably just about deserve to win this game.
And this will test the mentality of any footballer. And it's gone in. Composure is so important under these trying circumstances. Well, chance wasted. And he steps up to take his penalty. And he finds the net. He could hardly miss. And he steps up to take the shot. And he scores. Can he keep his cool? And the keeper makes the all-important save. What a big moment. Can he remain calm? So lethal in front of goal. And just like that, he's come up with the save. Can he convert? And he's taken the low road. Beautifully done. So much riding on this.
Halo. Bang, bisa review? Bisa.
And he does.
Langsung aja ya kan. Salam dari Sulawesi Tengah, Bang. Salam ya, Hairul Rula. Terima kasih sudah mampir, guys.
And the penalty to win it.
Kalah lagi lu buat lawan bot ini.
He was under so much pressure, but he's finished it really well.
Masa kalah terus?
And so the penalty shootout about to commence. And as a player, this is when you have to hold your nerve. And confidently converted. Mental preparation is such a big part of this.
Kiri nggak sih? Buset dah, jauh
Just
banget.
couldn't make it happen. Well, it's all about keeping a cool head.
Ya
And he squandered
ampun.
it off target. Can he get the better of the keeper?
Tengah kiri ya, tengah kiri.
And now it is all about the penalty shootout. Clinical as always, in front of goal. His turn to try to convert from the spot. Goalkeeper beaten from the spot. And up he comes, doing his best to remain
Kanan.
focused.
Nice.
Done from the spot.
Kanan.
And
Aduh,
there
nggak
it
ketangkep
is.
lagi.
Perfectly executed. Composure is so important under these trying
Clivert
circumstances.
tengah aja nggak sih?
And the
Nice.
penalty converted here.
Kiri
In it
bro.
goes. And he steps up to take his penalty.
Kanan.
And he's beaten the keeper. And he steps up to take the shot.
Neto kiri. Aduh,
And
kanan
it's
dia.
gone in. Can he keep his cool? Well,
Ya
the keeper
elah.
reacted magnificently. A goal here and it's finished.
Ayo bot, gue percaya sama lu bot. Nice, itu loh.
From the spot. Can he remain calm?
Tadi kan dia kiri ya.
And he finds the net. He could hardly miss. A lot riding on this.
Caicedo. Ayo bot, let's go bot. Ya
A
ampun.
Panenka penalty and a brilliant goal. Can he convert? So lethal in front of goal.
Satu lagi nih, menangin doang ini. Kiri nggak sih dia? Aduh,
That's what
kanan
you call
lagi.
a mischievous penalty with a stutter step. Mental preparation is such a big part of this.
Aduh,
There's
nggak
a
yakin
moment he
tengah
would
gua.
like to airbrush from history. The door to victory is wide open. In it goes. That seals it.
Well, under pressure, that's a very composed penalty.
Buset, dah kalah berapa kali nih gua?
Just about deserved it.
From me, Jeremy Nicholas, and everyone here at the stadium.
And this will test the mentality of any footballer. And he scores! Well, it's all about keeping a cool head.
Kanan.
He
Kiri.
had to score, and he does. Can he get the better of the keeper? And confidently converted.
Ya elah, malah diam dia guys.
In front of goal. His turn to try to convert from the
Full
spot.
kanan gak sih?
Goalkeeper beaten from the spot.
Kipernya biar bot aja yang mainin ya. Nggak usah gue gerakin nih. Kiri. Duh.
Job done
Kiri
from
dia.
the spot. And up he comes, doing his best to remain focused. And there it is.
Masuk, Bo.
Perfectly executed. And that goes down as an effort that he's not going to be remembering fondly.
Kanan. Kanan bro.
Penalty
Aduh.
converted here. Composure is so important under these trying circumstances.
Ya
Well,
ampun,
he just
Pirlo
couldn't
dari
make it
tadi
happen.
guys.
A goal here to win it. He's
Nice,
gambled
untung
on
aja lu.
direction and
Botnya jago lu.
And he steps up to take his
Waduh,
penalty.
Rizard.
And
Ya
that penalty
elah, malah
attempt
ngasih ke tengah.
well below average. And this to win it. Oh,
Nice.
saved it.
Itu loh, botnya loh.
Can he keep us cool?
Ya, ketinggian lagi.
And
Enggak.
it's gone in. So much on the line with regard to this penalty.
Let's go, 3 kali beruntun, bot. Aduh, nggak ketepis. Lanjut dong.
And he steps up to
Halo,
take the shot.
Zidane Al Buhori. Lah, bot yang nendang nih.
And he
Mantap.
finds the net. He could hardly miss. Can he remain calm?
Kanan.
In
Aduh,
it
nggak dapet.
goes. Can he convert?
Kiri ya. Wih, gol guys.
But the goalkeeper nearly made the save. Mental preparation is such a big part of this.
Juara FC bintang berapa bang? Belum. Di bawah bintang 5 semua sih. VSA bintang berapa ya? 2 kayaknya.
So lethal in front of goal.
Tinggal mode manajer doang
It's
ini.
all about keeping a cool head. And he scores.
Ayo terakhir nih. RB. Kiri nggak sih?
He had to score and he does. Can he get the
Buset,
better of
kiper
the
lawan kiper
keeper?
guys. Waduh. Ini kayak ketepis ini guys. Enggak deh.
Confidently converted.
Kamis depan
His turn
naik
to try
OVR.
to
Oh iya
confirm
bener ya.
the spot.
Event baru ya. Melambung jauh. Nice,
The
itu loh.
save to win it. They prevailed in this penalty shootout.
Well, he's missed the right play, and what a good shot that is. Immaculate stop, brilliant from the keeper.
Iya benar-benar event baru kan, Glorious Era. Ini apa ini? Ya nggak dapat yang pertukaran bro. Nanggung bet ya kan. Januari atau Februari Totti tuh maksimalnya berapa dia? Tetap 115 ya. Berarti harus siapin permata ya. 117. Oh mending Totti dong ya, ya nggak sih? Simpen permata buat Totti. AFK ini kayaknya nih.
Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today. No rain in sight. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting next to me here on the commentary gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham United midfield man, Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable calls. It's Barcelona.
Masih lama sih Glorious.
Lille.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great
Iya,
atmosphere.
di event ini nggak ada R9 ya.
Full of quality, some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
And quick thinking from the keeper, who was on the
Gue mikir Gullit doang sih, Gullit buat gantiin si itu Hakan,
James Tavernier.
buat gantiin Calha.
And it's Tavernier. Forlan. What can he do with it now? But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was.
Van der Sar kapan keluar ya? Di event ini nggak keluar loh.
Bastoni. Rice with it.
Iya, Gullit mah emang dari ini kan, dari dulu juga Gullit terbaik deh. Gelo Opang Live, iya bang. Gullit, Van der Sar, Maldini tuh, 3 itu tuh. GP-nya selalu bagus dia. Lah, AFK langsung dia. Ini Van der Sar, gue tinggal ganti Van der Sar yang baru nih ntar nih. Oke Bang Zidane.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score. James Tavernier. The right place to cut out the pass. And that is offside.
Ambil apa Pang di event ini? Ambil Gullit sih, target Gullit. Mau ganti CM dulu gua. Abis CM mungkin ke RB dulu, kok nggak CB tuh. CB nunggu Maldini sih gua, CB nya gantiin Van Dijk. Semoga aja di event selanjutnya ada Maldini ya. Maldini, Van der Sar udah tuh. Itu kalau ada Ferdinand 112 enak banget bang. Iya nggak punya bang, nggak dapet suwe, bau mulu gue gacha. Next event Maldini pasti LB ya. Oh iya udah ada dia. CB yang bagus siapa ya? CB gue ini nih doang sih dari zaman FIFA nih. Lucio, Van Dijk, Maldini, udah gitu doang. Oh iya, blank bisa ya, blank ya. Bagus itu blank ya. Iya bener. Wis. RB masih ada, iya Carlos Alberto belum keluar ya.
Andres Iniesta, James Tavernier.
Padahal Barca, oh iya itu nggak sempet gue bang, telat gue. Niatnya pengen ngambil tapi telat ya kan. Iya, Barzagli bagus itu, GP-nya tabrak-tabrak dia. Gue udah targetin malah lupa ya. Satu bintang lagi nih. Striker lu tinggal nunggu, iya bener, nunggu R9 terus ganti si siapa namanya tuh kiri, Forlan ya. Ginola masih bagus sih.
And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It is Manchester City facing Barcelona.
As is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Grimaldo. Now with Ibrahimovic. Barcelona.
Dia punya gulit itu dia.
Best. And on to Ginola. He has teammates around him.
This is a message for all away supporters.
George Best.
Nice banget. Itu loh. Tiki taka ya kan, 1-2 1-2.
Well, as you can see, it's a very simple period. You still have to be in the right place, keep your composure and finish it off. And that's exactly what he did.
Are back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. Grimaldo. Grimaldo with it. Oh, genuine chance. Oh, there it is!
Buset, marah dia, dibalikin.
Now they're level again. The lead lasted nearly minutes.
Oh, just look how he holds on to his defender. Keeps his balance and he's still...
Nuker baju udah, Pang. Baju yang mana dah? Baju yang ini kah, kode Rhythm kah? Kalau yang kode Rhythm udah tuh kemarin.
So in business once more on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Joan Capdevila. Çalhanoğlu. George Best.
Hamsik, anak emas.
They couldn't find the net.
Nggak tahu ya Hamsik tuh.
Caught it absolutely perfectly.
Well, we won't get tired of seeing this.
Itu harusnya nggak boleh disebar, Pang. Iya kah? Yang ini kan baju ini kan kode Rhythm.
Not least the keeper. What a good finish that is.
Soalnya khusus apa itu? 80 orang yang ikut summit.
Be a quick response
Iya
from
kah?
City. There needs to be.
Tapi gue dapat dari Twitter itu. Kode Rhythmnya tuh.
A very good tackle.
Buset, dah ngelek ini. .3188 bro. Lah terus gimana dong itu?
Gambia put them on. And it's in. A goal for Barcelona. They
Ya tapi ada salah satu kreator yang ngejual baju itu 5 juta. Oh alah.
Just begging for a teammate to get on the end.
Oh gara-gara disebar jadi ini ya.
Which is made to look
Oh gara-gara dijual jadi mau nggak mau ya udah dibagiin gitu kan. Parah banget ya.
underway again with the score at 3-1. Guerrero.
Gua kira itu emang dikasih gratis ya kan.
Now with Grimaldo. And there it is. Still life left in this game. And they have the momentum.
Iya gara-gara disebar iya kan. Jadi nanggung gitu kan.
Well, I have to say,
Pansannya gue bilang kok Indonesia gitu kan.
expected here. He just hits from the back of the ball with such power. There's no stopping that.
Well, the action underway once more. No shortage of entertainment. 3-2.
Tadi cuma award buat yang ikut summit doang, gila.
First half.
Bisa kesebar gitu ya.
So they get the ball rolling in the second.
Iya, bajunya enak emang, bagus itu.
Advantage, but no room for complacency. Beasley. Guerrero.
Kayak FMD, iya ya.
Splendid tackle and a throw in coming up. Well, the decision they have made is to make a triple substitution. Grimaldo.
Lu bisa sih Pang konsisten konten aja. Udah konsisten gua. Cuma ya ada selingan game lain gua. Ya semoga aja dilirik lah. Cuma ada selingan game lain gua.
Keeper getting the touch.
2026 summit sih. Wah kayaknya kalau untuk 2026 susah sih.
David Ginola. And on to Forlan. Diego Forlan. Well, a really good run. Guerrero. Grimaldo. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Grimaldo with it. Now a potentially dangerous position for City. Good use of the ball.
Itu kemarin pas di Bali katanya banyak kok konten kreator yang baru join tapi rata-rata di TikTok. Iya harus ada minimal maksimal gak sih?
Investigated down to them.
Kayak di Mobile Legends tuh minimal tuh 50.000.
Just listen to the noise.
Entah follower TikTok atau subscribe YouTube gitu kan.
Manchester City have work to do, but isn't going to happen for them. And the final whistle has sounded. The end of the game here, a win for Barcelona. No fans are going to be happy about that.
There wasn't much in it, to be honest. Really competitive game with chances at both ends. They probably just about edged it overall and deserved the result in the end.
Kemarin mah nggak ada pang. Orang teman gue subsnya baru 3K. Gila baru 3K bisa itu dia. Baru 3K tapi dia lolos dia itu. Oh yang penting konsisten ya. Konsisten terus dilihat ya kan. CM. Aduh CD lagi siapa ini? Tah lah. Atau Scarlett. Oh Anton. Bintang 0. Semoga aja lu dilirik pang. Amin amin. Kapan lagi ya kan ikut event resmi ya kan? Buset dah dibawa tidur ya. Lawannya imbang nih 115 semua nih.
And good evening on what is a perfect night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. My name's Derek Ray. I'm delighted to have alongside me, as usual on
Ada
these
entry dia.
occasions, Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable cause. It is Manchester United versus Barcelona.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set. Two good teams, great playing surface, and a vibrant atmosphere. Has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Good inside. The keeper making sure that there are no scraps to feed on for the attackers. Thierry Henry.
Wen ya gulit ya.
Fairly easy.
Tuker aja bang itu bang.
Deflection. So now a throw in.
Gue juga mungkin dapat ini gulit nih. Gulit 1.500 kan.
Clearance. Can he take advantage?
Gue udah ada 1.800 gue.
Wasting much time today. They strike first.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly, and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
Wajib nggak sih tuh gulit tuh dapat nih.
Barcelona
Harus
get
all-in
things
gulit
going
sih.
again. A wake-up call for them, perhaps.
Di CDM juga bagus kan dia itu.
Best.
Apalagi untuk event-event yang baru ini nggak ngurangin OVR kan. Ini kayak base nih, taruh RW tetap 117 dia.
United have him back.
Ada Hamsik, oh iya ada Hamsik ya. Udah dapet kah Hamsik?
David Beckham. It's a fine pass.
Buset udah dibantai gini gua.
This is for Manchester United. They are on a victory course.
Which is good. Steals all over the place. Give him some credit. That's a good finish. Great composure.
2-0 now and back underway.
Ya ditaruh ST mah kurang bang. Paling CAM tuh dia tuh.
George Best.
Dia tuh lengkap ya, bisa CAM, CM, CM ya. ST juga bisa dia. CB juga kalau nggak salah bisa deh CB. Gila, dibantai gua. Ini kenapa ngelek dah? ST bisa gulit, iya bisa. Kena bantai gini gua. GK pun bisa lah, mana bisa GK deh bang. Semuanya aja ya kan, didorong sama gulit. Alrol, iya bener bisa dia. Cuma nggak tahu ya di aslinya kan. Gue tuh nggak terlalu nontonin gulit gue. Gila, semua posisi bisa dia loh. Kayaknya cuma dia doang satu-satunya ya pemain bola yang bisa di semua posisi gitu. Ya GK mah nggak usah dihitung lah ya GK. Gol. Cara di review gimana bang? Add aja bang. Bisa disuruh ganti taktik gua. Nice, 3-0 aja lah, udahlah dibantai. Gigi. Jam 7 aja aneh pakai akun kecil. Ada berapa akun emang? 2 kah? Naik 133. Hadiahnya nggak naik ini ya? Naik dong masih dari level berapa? 200 doang loh. 3 akun. Nggak pusing kah itu ngurus 3 akun? Mana nggak ketemu emang? Ini kah? Lah ini mah Mboh yang tadi main sama gua. Iya gak sih? Nggak bisa lihat lagi sini. Coba kita lihat di sini ya. Nah kan yang baru main Mboh kan? Nggak sih bang soalnya gitu kan. Oh jadi yang dimainin 1 sama 2 doang ya. 3-nya paling buat gacha-gacha tuh. Oh ya event ini ada ya, lupa gua. Buat ngelampiasin ya kan kalau gacha di akun 1-2 jelek gitu kan. Ini kalau gue lihat si Smichael ini gameplaynya kurang dia. Pengen gue pakai tapi kurang sih dia. Mana ini kah, Konami kah? Nah itu udah dapat gulit, buset dah. Udah nih tinggal ganti De Bruyne doang udah nih. Buset ini udah the best banget ini. Gila dapat cross juga dia. Ini maruk bener CM-nya nih dia nih, bagilah satu-satu nih. 5/5 semua lagi kakinya ya CM. Lah mana kagak bisa diklik ini si ini. Iya cross enak di CDM. CB paling terganti nih. Si ini dapat dari inian kan? Apa dari liga nggak sih? Paling ngambil Hamsik ya CM. Gue nunggu aja lah inilah. Ada 90.000 gua. Nunggu CB paling ya, kok nggak LB lah nunggu nanti. Oh Mataus. Boleh tuh Mataus tuh. Ini ganti CM nih, ntar kan Hamsik kan. Beuh naik lagi OVR itu. Gak mahal tapi ini terbaik semua CM-nya ini. Fowler mungkin nunggu R9 aja ya gantinya dia. Masih lama lah R9. Netfed juga bagus ini Netfed. Kok bisa ya orang-orang tuh hoki banget ya? Dapat dari gacha ini kah 3.000 kah? Gue gacha ini kali ya. Ini target Marcelo di sini nih nggak dapat loh. K cross gulit nuker, oh nuker gulit. Nanti LB nya si ini ya, Rice ya. Waduh bau lagi. Minggu depan hari Kamis kan LB nya Rice kan. Iya, Gullit amanin dulu soalnya kan bagus itu dia. Gue belum gue tukar sih. $1.500 cross hoki ya, tapi hokinya bisa cross gitu ya. Gua aja hokinya apa tuh, Michael tuh. Gue udah ada 2000 ini kalau gue tukar semua. $2.100 ambil apa ya, CB kali ya. CB nya mahal-mahal gak sih? Ini 800 nih Nesta. GP ku busuk bang. Lah GP mah gampang, bisa di apa? Bisa dipelajarin kalau GP mah. Davis berapa nih, 12 mahal banget Davis. CB1 sama CM1. Iya, CB nya apa ya? Mungkin gua usahain si ini kali ya, Nesta kali ya. Nesta kali ya, Nesta Gullit ya. Minggu kedua semua dong. Kafu mahal gak sih? 1.500. Nesta, iya Nesta ya. Ya paling nunggu Nesta aja deh gua. Dua itu tuh. Kurang 200 lagi kan gua kan. Gacha paling, tinggal gacha. Sama klaim yang di sini dah. Mana coba bang akun keduanya bang? Sama gacha di sini paling ya sisanya ya. Bisa nih gue ngambil Nesta sama Gullit. Hoki banget ya, bisa Nesta Gullit gitu gua. Bang besok mending ambil Schweinsteiger dulu apa Cantona dulu? Dua posisi itu butuh. Iya mending Gullit. Tapi dia butuh dua posisi sih. Gullit aja gak sih? Gullit dulu. Kapan lagi Gullit lo? Terbaik ini lo. Kalau ST mending nunggu nanti gak sih si R9 tuh? Gullitnya udah paket lengkap banget ini Gullit. Iya R9 pas event itu Glorious Era. Iya ambil Gullitnya dulu, ntar R9 nya belakangan ya kan. Paling gue juga ambil R9 sih. Kalau syaratnya berapa ya kira-kira ya? Semoga 1.500an lah ya R9 atau 2.000 lah paling ini, paling banyak. Gue pengen ganti Michael cuma GP nya ragu-ragu sih gua. Mana bang akunnya bang? Gua yang ETS ini dah. Pasti 1.500 bang kalau pemain dewa gitu. Iya sih. Kayak Gullit ya. Ini cerita bangsa katanya ada Brazil ya, katanya nextnya Brazil ini. Ini gue tukar dulu apa nanti aja guys? Gue untuk di yang Jepang ini kurang sih. Nyata pengen gue kumpulin gitu kan. Apa di shardnya bisa ya? Kalau di Twitter katanya bisa. Ada yang bilang bisa, ada yang bilang enggak nih. Kalau gue tuker berarti berapa ya? Boleh. Add aja add. Kalau nggak nemu nih UID-nya tuh. ID-nya. Mana tadi akun keduanya, wih? Gue udah pengen udahan nih. Udah jam 5. Jam berapa sekarang? 45. Ganti ini aja kali gue. Nah ini nggak ada kan, gue ganti nick aja lah nanti dah. Halo Lasem Jawa. Buset, dia banyak banget akun YouTube dia. Lah kagak bisa gua ini dong. Ini kah? Akun second. Buset, ada juara FC aja nih. Emang pecinta R9 ini dia nih. Vidic van der Sar. Buset, dapat Richard dia. Buset, ini dewa banget ini bro. 5/5. Van Basten. Lah, Van Basten ini 5/5 juga ya? Vidic. Ini sekarang bagusnya di event sekarang tuh sistemnya kayak gini dia. Jadi mau ditaruh CAM atau itu nggak berkurang kan OVR-nya kan. Vidic custom, iya bener sih. M Arjuna PSG bang. Las lah ini, las ya. Gue mau jemput mak gue nih. Orang-orang satu nickname doang ya. Nickname gue banyak banget. Sesko. Buset, kipernya kiper terbaik ini. CB nya ganti nggak sih tuh? Ganti yang di ini aja, yang di liga tuh 110 kan dia. Apa tadi tuh? Nggak ada bang nama lu, gue cari. Iya, ntar gue ganti nama dah. Akun kecil juara FC bagus kan bang? Bagus lah. Apa itu namanya? Gue lupa dah kalau sebutan itunya tuh. OVR kecil tapi GP nya bagus, lupa gue. Iya nih si Sosa ini ganti yang di itu aja tuh, Carvalho. Kemarin kalau sempat ngambil si siapa, Barzagli tuh, bagus itu Barzagli. Vidic ke Stampids. Ah iya, chip bis, betul itu chip bis. Campuran Belanda Brazil, gila, the best itu. Apalagi besok ada di ini kan, cerita bangsanya katanya Brazil kan. Paling ada, tapi Zico kalau keluar lagi nggak mungkin gak sih? Paling Zé Roberto sih keluar. Mana over 113? 1400. Oh iya. Iya nih mah tinggal ngambil gulit aja ini. Sama lagi Palinha aja. Ini Michael enak gak sih GP-nya nih? Gue pengen ganti dah. Apa gue tuker Sart aja ya? Zé Roberto udah keluar kah? Paling tinggal ganti CM nih dia nih. Sama RB nunggu ntar ya gak sih si siapa? Carlos Alberto ya? Belum keluar tuh dia. Kalau ngambil Cafu. Oh ya ada event CONMEBOL ya, gue lupa. Oh iya udah keluar dia. Oh Ronaldinho yang belum ya? Yes, nggak mungkin gak sih? Masa ya Ronaldinho ada di cerita bangsa? Semehek aneh ketemu GP-nya kurang. Kurang kah? Berarti gue tukerin jadiin ini aja ya, Sart aja ya. Lumayan kan, berapa itu? 2,5. Paling tinggal 200 lagi ya buat ngambil Maldini sama siapa tadi? Nesta. 200 110 bisa tuh gua ntar beli. Ronaldinho udah keluar. Iya, siapa tahu keluar lagi kan. Tapi kalau untuk di cerita bangsa nggak mungkin yang bagus nggak sih? Masa yang bagus semua keluar? Ini ada 4 loh. Gue kira Asia kan. Ternyata banyak yang bilang gini Brazil. Ini Nakata sebenarnya oke sih. Cuma sayang aja Sartnya, nanti gue tukerin dulu dah. Ramirez 111. Oh iya Ramirez ya, CDM ya. Iya tuh bisa Ramirez tuh besok tuh Kamis. Gue tukerin ini dulu kali nanti ya. Ini kan 600 kan dapetnya kan. Aku mau moderator bang. Halo Bang Rio. Wah nggak bisa Bang Rio di sini. Nanti gue jadiin mood ya. Sekarang kah? Boleh Bang Rio. Oh iya lupa ya Bang Rio ya. Gue jadi lupa naruh iklan. Boleh Bang Rio. Sabar Bang Rio ya, gue ini dulu. Iklan dulu gak sih guys? Dari tadi belum iklan kan gue. Lah iya ya, gue lupa setting di ininya ya. Nah udah tuh Bang Rio. Udah gue jadiin mod Bang Rio. Udah lah ya guys ya, udahan dulu ya guys ya. Gue mau jemput emak gue coy, takut telat ini guys. Anjay. Ya jadi mungkin cukup sampai di sini aja guys. Terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang udah mampir ya guys ya, yang udah nonton live, yang udah nonton replay. Terima kasih ya. Terima kasih Mas Opang ya, sama-sama Bang Rio. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya guys. Semoga kalian panjang umur, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu, dan banyak rezekinya guys. Amin ya robbal alamin. Mohon maaf bila ada salah-salah kata guys. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Terima kasih tadi absen ya, ada yang mampir nih. Ada Muhammad Dandi, ada Zidan, terus ada Nailendra, terus juga ada Lasem Jawa, ada Bang Jun TRL, dan juga ada Bang Rio. Terima kasih banyak ya. Sehat selalu dan banyak rezekinya abang-abang yang udah mampir.